So this is our second butcher box at 149. So this is our second butcher box at 149, and we picked what we wanted in this box. And it's still fun because I forgot what we picked. What's in the box, Biggie? Ooh, this is dry ice. Don't touch the dry ice. It's really, really cold. Wow, Biggie, look.
Oh my gosh.
Look at all the steaks. All the meat.
Yeah, it's so cold.
Wow, so cold. Let's see what we got. Wow.
We got in the
2 ribeye steaks.
we got in the main.
4 ribeye steaks, Biggie.
We got in
Wow.
this.
And then we got
Cold.
pork loin. Wow, look at that. And the steaks. And then we got, wow, fillets. 2 of them. And then ground beef. Wow, ground beef.
I want to eat them so much.
And so much chicken.
Chicken. Now it's inside that again.
And that is it. That's the whole box.
Yeah, but what's inside the box?
Wow, Bugs.
Bottom box.
That is really cool.
What's that?
You want to play with the box?
I think there's something inside that thing. There's something inside that